Hi everyone, looking at solving trig equations. When I'm dealing within degrees, here is my sine graph. It's only freehand, it's only rough, but you can see there's one loop. I'm going to call it loop, but we don't call it loop, we call it one period, one cycle of a sine graph. Where does a sine graph equal a half? I can go to a half and come across here, and it's pretty obvious that there's one at 30 degrees, and here's just before 180, by the way. 30 degrees, same as that from 180. No good going to this will be minus a half, and that would be a minus a half. So I've got two answers. Two answers for that are 30 degrees and 150 degrees. Of course, there's going to be more as well. If I kept my graph going over here, I have another one here, and that will be at 390 degrees. So I could keep going on the pattern. You might notice that from that one to that one was 360, so I can go another 360. I can go backwards 360, but for the moment we'll just look at positives. So this one, I can add 360 and I get 510 degrees. So I've got four answers for that question. A lot of people don't think these. A shortcut method made up even well before I was a kid would do this to us. A stands for all positive, S stands for sine positive, cos negative, tan negative. So we don't talk about the negatives, we talk about what is positive. So if I'm talking about 0 degrees here, 90 degrees there, and 180 degrees there, a sine between 90 and 180 is positive. Go back to the graph. A sine, so this is y equals sine x, between 0 and 180 is all above the x-axis, so it is positive. If I wanted to go further than that, then the sign would become negative. But go back to this one. If I started the question again, and I go, how do I get a sine equaling a half? Our simplest method is go back to your right angle triangle. If that's 30 degrees, the opposite is 1, the hypotenuse is 2, and the other side is root 3. So I know that sine of 30 degrees is a half. So one of my answers is a half. The question is, what is the other answer? So if I go back to here, and I just use one of these, and I'm talking about 150 degrees now we're looking for. So there's about 150, so there's 30 degrees, there's 180 degrees. What can I say? The sine of 150 is the same as the sine of 30. So one of my other answers is 150 degrees. How far is 150 from 180? That's 30 degrees. This is the method of doing the graph in a shortcut method. And then I could keep going and put all the other angles in. But just for today, there's two systems operating all the time. Which system do you operate on? I mostly operate that one. But if I have any trouble in my mind, I'll go back to this one. Thanks.